All right, as I was saying, Microsoft Word 2016, this is lesson 3. It's going to be talking about character formatting. Will you please go into presentation mode? So these are the skills and objectives that will be covered. You're going to apply font formatting, learn how to use the format painter, text highlight color, apply built-in styles to text, change text to word art, insert text from a file, and then you can actually open the PDF file in Word and edit it. And then you're going to learn how to clear formatting. So for the software orientation, which means just the basics, as you already learned, it is important to become familiar with the font group of commands. And the font groups of commands, remember guys, are down here, like you see clipboard here in font. This is your ribbon. The font group is displayed on the home tab of the ribbon. So the definition for character formatting is the process of changing the way letters, numbers, punctuation marks, and symbols appear both on screen and in print to improve document readability. Definition for font. It defines the appearance and shape of the letters, numbers, and special characters in a document. For Word 2016, the default font for Word is Calibri, and for previous ones it might have been Arial. So no, for Word 2016, that is the one. It is the default for now. Microsoft Word has a variety of fonts, font sizes, and attributes to help you communicate your intended message in a document. Font sizes are measured in points. So when you see 14 point, 10 point, that's what they're talking about, the size of your font. Point sizes in Word range from very small 8-point size to 72 points or higher. Just depends on the document that you are creating. The font group, if you want to change your fonts and font sizes, you have to go to the Home tab. It contains drop-down menus for changing both the typeface, which is Arial, Comic Sans, those type of things, and font size. Selecting text enables you to access the same commands using a mini toolbar or by right-clicking to display a context menu, which provides access to the font dialog box. To change typeface or size using any of these tools, you must first select the text. So usually we'll just tell you to highlight the text. Another way to change the size of text is to select the text and click the Increase Font Size button, which is a capital A on your ribbon, to increase the font size, or the Decrease Font Size button to decrease the size. Quick styles are the built-in or predefined styles used for formatting text. And like I said earlier, when I go over those exercises, you will see me using all of these things. You'll see me working with the mini toolbar, the font dialog box, all of those things. Applying character attributes. You can change the appearance of characters to apply emphasis to text. Emphasis can be, bold can be used for emphasis. You can access the font group on the Home tab to apply bold, italic, underline, and more attributes. Different underline styles can be applied by choosing the underline drop-down arrow on the Home tab to select various underline styles. To open the font dialog box, use one of the keyboard shortcuts, or you can right-click to access a shortcut menu. The subscript character formatting effect makes text appear in a smaller font size below the midpoint of a line of text. So like you see there, X to the second. That's what you're seeing, like chemistry, H2O for water, and those types of things. So that is called subscript. It's superscript when it's like X squared. Click the font command group dialog box launcher to open the font dialog box for more options. Text effects add a distinctive appearance to selected text, such as outline, shadow, glow, and reflection. To add text effects to selected text, click the drop-down arrow on the text effects button and then select from the available options on the menu, or you can use the font dialog box, and I'll show you that, guys, in a minute. The change case command on the home tab allows a user to change the case of selected text to all uppercase, all lowercase, sentence case, and toggle case as every other word is capitalized, or capitalize each word. Setting character spacing. Character spacing refers to the spacing in and around each character of text. Character spacing options in Word include the following. Scale. This setting makes each individual character wider or narrow and is described by a percentage, with 100% being normal. Height of the characters is not affected. Spacing. This setting moves characters closer to or farther apart from each other. It does not change the size or shape of the letters. Choose expanded or condensed. Position. This setting raises or lowers characters in relation to the baseline. It is similar to using subscript or superscript formatting, except that it does not make the affected characters smaller. Alright, the Format Painter is located in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. You use it to copy attributes and other formatting from one block of text and apply them to other selected text within the document. When you activate Format Painter, the mouse pointer becomes a paintbrush. Clicking once on the Format Painter button enables you to copy and apply the format once. Double-clicking allows you to apply the copied format to as many locations as you want. Formatting text with styles. Word provides predefined styles for formatting documents instantly with a number of character and paragraph attributes. You can modify existing styles or create new styles. The Styles pane lists the same styles displayed in the Styles gallery. There are two types of styles, paragraph styles and character styles. Paragraph style, the format is applied instantly to all text in the paragraph where the insertion point is, whether or not that text is selected. Character styles are applied to individual characters or words that you select. Character styles have a lowercase letter a beside them. Modifying styles. There is a dialog box for Modify Style. You make modifications to an existing style using the Modify Style dialog box. Place changes to styles in the current document or new document based on a template. To change an existing style, you will right-click the style's name in the Style Gallery or the Style pane and then click Modify. The Modify Style dialog box that, like you see here, will appear. Continue with modifying styles. Apply character attributes to a style by clicking on the bold button, the italics button, and the underline button. Click the drop-down arrow for font and font size to adjust both of these settings. You can choose to add it to the Styles gallery if you wish. You can select the options to save the style only in this document for the current document, or you can have it applied to all new documents as well. You can also create a new style. Instead of using the built-in style, you might choose to create a brand new style with the name that you choose. This is similar to modifying an existing style. All the same formatting options apply, and the dialog boxes are virtually identical. You can define a new style using a dialog box as you did in the preceding exercise, or you can select already formatted text to use as an example. For ease of applying a style, you can assign a keyboard shortcut to it. If you choose a key combination that is already assigned to some other action, the new assignment will override the older one. You can also create and modify word art. Word art is a feature that creates decorative effects with text. Word art in 2016 has vibrant colors and shapes and a gallery of text styles. As you begin working with word art, the Drawing Tools Format tab appears and enables you to format the word art by adding special effects. You can also insert text from a file. Word provides the ability to insert text from an outside file into an open document. You can insert text from a file by going to the Insert tab in the Text group and selecting the Object drop-down list and click Text from File. Then you will locate and select the Another Word file, and a new page of text appears in the document. Formatting existing documents in other file formats. As I stated earlier, Word 2016 can edit, format, and save a PDF document. You can also open, edit, and save documents that were saved in another type of file format, such as RTF, which is rich text format, and TXT just stands for the text format that you might see in Notepad. Importing documents that were saved in other file formats such as PDF enables you to edit the document and save it as a PDF or in Word 2016 format. Using the clear formatting button. Clearing unwanted formatting is easy using Word's clear formatting button, which is located in the font group and the styles gallery. And this is a summary of what we did at the beginning. Like I said earlier, I am going to record the exercises for lesson 3 using Word so that you can see all of these skills that were just covered in this PowerPoint.